Sonoga i Žabac, opet sa vama, morao sam nabaviti cvike, rekli su mi to da je obavezna oprema na ovome brodu ovdje.
Sa nama će ovdje da bude ekipa Rumunije, dakle plesači koji specijalno za nas treba da izvedu nešto.
What are you going to perform to us now?
Yeah, it's a freestyle with the big bounce dancers. I'm the choreographer, and if you want to see something good, Romania is here and do breakdance and street dance from Biggity Bounce.
Thank you. Watch this. Bippity uppity, yo, Romania here on the biggity bounce, yeah? Come on, 1 and 2 and 3, come on, yo! Готовий.
Woo! Give it up for Romania!
Romania 12 points! La Roumanie 12 points! 10 points!